Welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into the world of performance-focused motorcycles with an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha R15. If you're a fan of cutting-edge design, exhilarating performance, and track-inspired features, stick around because the new R15 has some surprises in store for us. Design and styling: sleek, aggressive, and aerodynamic. The 2025 Yamaha R15 sports a refreshed design that screams aggression and speed. With its sculpted bodywork, aerodynamic fairings, and sharp LED headlamps, it's a head-turner both on the street and on the track. Yamaha has retained the signature twin-eye design but has added more defined lines to enhance its sporty look. The new color options, including matte silver, racing blue, and midnight black, ensure that the R15 caters to different tastes while maintaining its premium appeal. Engine and performance. Power meets precision. Under the hood, the R15 boasts a refined 155cc liquid-cooled engine, featuring Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. It delivers 18.6 horsepower and 14.2 mm (Np) of torque, ensuring a thrilling riding experience across different RPM ranges. The 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch provide smooth and confident gear transitions, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. With improved fuel injection, the 2025 RF5 offers better throttle response and fuel efficiency. 3. Features and technology. Footnote: Yamaha has packed the 2025 R15 with advanced features, including a fully digital LCD instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. Riders can pair their smartphones to access turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and ride analytics. The bike also features dual-channel ABS, ensuring superior braking control, and a redesigned suspension system for enhanced comfort and stability. Riding experience: made for the streets and the track. The 2025 R15 offers a perfect balance of agility and comfort. Its lightweight chassis and 17-inch radial tires make cornering effortless, while the aggressive riding posture ensures full control at high speeds. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or hitting the track for weekend thrills, the R15 adapts seamlessly. So, is the 2025 Yamaha R15 worth the hype? Absolutely. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and advanced features, Yamaha has raised the bar for entry-level sport bikes. It's the perfect blend of performance and practicality. What are your thoughts on the new RF15? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more exciting updates on the latest vehicles. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.